How to chat with Mellow AI Tawasal. So hey guys, in this video I'll be teaching you how to chat with Mellow AI Tawasal. And as you can see right now, I don't know why. Oh yeah, I made a video. So yeah, if you want to watch more videos about here on Tawasal, you can watch it here on how to rock it. And I'm sure you'll learn a lot of stuff right here. And you might not know, you might learn some few tricks and tips. And right here, all we need to do is click on the QR code. We're just gonna change the color right there to light mode. There you go. As you can see, we're back. Now, all we need to do to chat with Tawasal, let's go to chats right here. Here is we have, there you go, Mellow. Do you call it Mellow? Yeah, I don't know. Mellow AI right there. So we can chat here. So here right now, all we need to do is choose a language. So right now, because we're English, choose English. There you go. Great, now let's show you what I can do. I can generate pictures based on text. You can send me a message with a description. I will generate a picture for you. So here it mostly does that, but you can also chat with it. Of course, there's a chat option, but you can also have a conversation with Mellow. Hi Mellow, for example, right there. Hi Mellow, how are you? There you go. And then once you click on send, unfortunately this is not available at the moment. Please try another feature. I can answer any question and provide any issue question. Try sending me a message with your question. I'll be happy to answer it. So how about just try it again? Copy. Let's see. Copy. Then paste. Hi, hello, how are you? Portly. We're gonna change it to click on menu. And after clicking on menu right there, click on chat. After clicking on chat right there you go. Now I think this might work now. Come on. Hi Menu, hello, how are you? There. Hello, great, blah blah blah. And now there you go. That's how you chat with Melu here. And to change its other, just go to menu and then choose one. Code assistant, games, art, Melu channel, and language, so much more right there. So yeah, there you go guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any questions, type it down in the comment section below guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible here on how to rock it guys. There you guys, and thank you guys.